हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण एक्सरसाइज 1.1 मधला क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सॉल्व्ह केलेला होता. आता आपण एक्सरसाइज 1.1 मधला अँगल अँड इट्स मेजरमेंट मधला 8 नंबरचा प्रॉब्लेम बघणार आहोत. आपल्याला 8 नंबरच्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिलेला आहे द सम ऑफ टू अँगल इज 5 पाय रेडियन अँड देअर डिफरन्स इज 60 डिग्री. फाइंड द मेजर इन डिग्री. आपल्याला दोन अँगलची सम आहे 5 पाय रेडियन डिग्री आणि डिफरन्स आहे दिलेला 60 डिग्री. आपल्याला दोन अँगलच्या व्हॅल्यू डिग्री मध्ये फाइंड करायच्या आहेत. तर आपण सोल्युशन मध्ये बघू. लेट किंवा we know that okay, so 1 radian convert into degree, so it is a multiple of 180 upon pi. It is a multiple of 180 pi to conversion into degree. So this is a 5 pi radian convert in degree. So 5 pi radian convert into degree. So 5 pi is a multiple of 180 upon pi. Then conversion in degree. So get pi get cancel. So 5 into 180 degree. So it's a 900 degree. Okay. So this is a 5 pi radian is equals to 900 degree. Let the angle are x and y. Let angle are x and y. Okay, so this is an angle x and y. The addition of two angles, the sum of two angle is 5 pi radian. So this is an x plus y. There are two angles and addition is 900 degree. So 5 pi radian conversion into degree. So 900 degree. This is an equation number first. Now second, this is the difference is an 60 degree. So difference of two angle x minus y is equals to 60 degree. So difference of two angle is an 60 degree. So equation first and equation second. So now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. So this is an first equation is an x plus y. So this is an x plus y is equals to 900 degree. And second equation is x minus y is equals to x minus y is equals to 60 degree. Okay, so this is an addition. This is sign plus plus plus. Okay, so this is an x plus x. This is an 2x. So plus minus minus, positive y negative y get cancelled. So 900 degree plus 60 degrees, so it is 960 degree. So this is an x is equals to 960 degree upon 2. So x is equals to 480 degree. Okay, so x is equals to 480 degree. So this is the value of x. Put in equation 1. X is a value. Put equation 1. So 1 is an equation. X is equals to 480 degree. Put in equation 1. So equation 1 is an x plus y is equals to 900 degree. X plus y is equals to 900 degree. So x is a 480 degree plus y is equals to 900 degree. So this is a y is equals to 900 degree minus 480 degree. So y is equals to, so 980 degree minus, so 420 degree. So this is a y 420 degree. 420 degree. The sum of the angle are in degree. The angle are in degree. So this is an x is equals to 480 degree and y is equals to 420 degree. So angle measuring jana degree. Problem number 9 मध्ये दिलेला आहे. The measure of angle of triangle are in the ratio 3:7:8. Find the measure degree and radian. म्हणजे आपल्याला अँगलचे रेशो दिलेले आहे. ट्रायंगलच्या अँगलचे रेशो दिलेला आहे 3:7:8 आणि त्याचा आपल्याला कन्वर्शन फाइंड करायचं आहे डिग्री आणि मेजर मध्ये. तर सोल्युशन मध्ये बघू आपण. लेट द अँगल ऑफ ट्रायंगल so it is a 3k, 7k and 8k. 3k, 7k, 8k. So therefore the sum of angle of triangle the sum of angle of triangle are 180 degree. Are 180 degree. Okay. So this is the sum of angle of triangle. The angle is 3K plus next angle is 7K and third angle is 8K is equals to 180 degree. The sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. So addition is 3K plus 7K 10K and plus 8K. So therefore 18K is equals to 180 degree. So K is equals to 180 degree upon 18. So there is 10, 18, 10 are 180 degrees. So K is equals to 10 degrees. So K is equals to 10 degrees. This is the value of K. This is the value of K. So that is, so now 3K is equals to, first angle is 3K. So 3 into K is 10 degree. So 3 into 10 degree is in 30 degree. Okay. Next angle is 7K. So 7 into K is 10 degree. So 7 into 10, 70 degree. Okay. Next angle is 8K. So 8 into K is 10 degree. K is 10 degree. So substitute K is 10 degree. So 8 into 10. So it is 18 degree. So this conversion in degree. Another to find into radians. Okay. So to find radian. So this is 30 degree. First angle is 30 degree. Convert into radian. So 30 degree is equals to 30 into pi upon 180. So it is pi upon 180 degree. Okay, and conversion into radian. So these are 0 get cancelled. 3 6 are 18. So this is pi radian upon 6. 30 degree converted into radian, pi radian upon 6. Next angle is 70 degree. So 70 degree is equals to 70 into pi upon 180 degree. Conversion into radian. So this is 0 get cancelled. So this is 7 pi radian upon 80 degree. Next angle is 80 degree. So 80 degree is equals to, so 80 into pi upon 180 degree. So 0 get cancelled. Conversion into radian. So 8 pi radian upon 80 degrees. So this is 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. So this is 2 pi radian upon 9. Okay. So the angle of triangle, so therefore the angle of triangle to measure degree and radian, to measure degree and radian. So this is 30 degree, 70 degree and 80 degree, and radian is so this is 5 pi radian by 6, 7 pi radian upon 80 and 2 pi radian upon 9. So to convert into degree and radian. Problem number 10. The measure of angle of triangle are in AP and the greatest is 5 times the smallest. Find the angle in degree and radian. So this is a measure दिलेला आपला triangle है, angle of triangle is an AP. So now solution, let the angle of triangle R, let the angle of triangle R is an A minus D, first angle, second angle A and third angle is an A plus D. So let the angle of triangle is A minus D, A plus D. So it is A minus D is less than A is less than A plus D. So A minus D is the smallest angle and A plus D is the highest angle. Okay. So it is the greatest. A minus D is the smallest angle, A plus D is the greatest angle. So this is So therefore, the sum of angle of triangle, the sum of angle of triangle are 180 degree, are 180 degree. So this is an angle is a minus d, a and a plus d. So the sum of a minus d plus a plus next angle a plus d is equals to 180 degree. So this is d negative, d positive get cancel. So therefore a plus a is equals to 180 degree. Is equals to 180 degree. So this is a plus a plus a. This is 3a is equals to 180 degree. So a is equals to 180 degree. So a is equals to 180 degree upon 3. Okay. So is 3 6 are 18. So a is equals to. So therefore a is equals to 60 degree. Therefore a is equals to 60 degree. नेक्स्ट आपल्याला दिलेला आहे ग्रेटेस्ट इज 5 टाइम्स स्मॉलेस्ट. तो ग्रेटेस्ट एंगल इज a plus d, smallest angle is a minus d. So this therefore greatest angle a plus d. So greatest is 5 times smallest. Okay, so this is a greatest angle is 5 times smallest. So 5 times smallest. So smallest angle is a minus d. So smallest angle is a minus d. So substitute the value of a. So this is maybe solve. So this is therefore a plus d is equals to 5 into. So bracket में भी multiply 5a minus 5d. 5a minus 5d. So bracket में भी multiply 5. So therefore a plus d, 5a minus 5d, put a is equals to 60 degree. So this is a is 60 degree. So 60 degree plus d is equals to 5 into 60 degree. 5 into 60 degree plus so this is minus 5d. Substitute a is equals to 60 degree. So this is 60 into 5. So this is 60 into 5. 505. Okay, 505. 5 6 okay, 5 6 30. So this is 300. Okay, so 60 degree plus d. Therefore 60 degree plus d is equal to 5 into 60. So this is 300 degree minus 5d. Okay, so degree may be transferred right hand side and 5d may be transferred to left hand side. So this is 5d is negative, transfer to left hand side, p is positive. So this is 5d plus d is equals to 300 degree. Then 60 degree transfer to right hand side to convert into, this is positive, the right hand side la gela negative. This is minus 60 degree. Okay, so 5d plus 6d, so is equals to 6d is equals to 360 degree. Okay, 360 is 240 degree. 240 degree. So d is equals to 240 degree upon 6. 240 degree upon 6. So 6 4s are 24. Okay, 6 4s are 24. So this is d is equals to 40 degree. D is equals to 40 degree. Okay, so d is 40 degree. Now first angle a is equals to 60 degree, d is equals to 40 degree. So that is a minus d is equals to, so then a minus d is equals to a minus d. So a is 60 degree minus d is 40 degree. So it is 20 degree. Okay, it is so a minus d is 20 degree. Next angle is a plus d. So a is 60 degree plus d is 40 degree. So a plus d. So 60 plus 40 is 100 degree. Okay, so this is to convert into radian, and so A is equals to 60 degree to convert the all angle in radian. Angle is converted into radian, so to convert into the radian, so A is equals to 60 degree. A minus D is on a 4. A minus D is on a 20 degree. Sorry, A minus D is on a 20 degree, and A plus D is on a 100 degree. So convert into radian. So 60 degree convert into radian. So this is on a 60 into. So degree is on a convert into radian. So it is on a 180 pi upon 180. So this is on a multiple by pi upon 180 to convert into radian. So these are 0 0 get cancelled. So these are 3 2s are okay. 3 2s are 6 and 3 6 are 18. So this is on a 2 pi radian upon 6. 2 pi radian upon 6. Then 60 degree convert into radian. 2 pi radian upon 6. Now 20 degree convert into radian. So 20 degree convert into radian. So convert into radian. So 20 into pi upon 180. 20 into pi upon 180 is a 0 0 get cancel. Conversion into radian. So 2 2s are 1, 2 9s are 18. This is a pi radian upon 9, and this is a next is a 100 degree conversion into radian. So 100 into multiple of pi upon 180 degree to convert the radian. This is a 0 0 get cancel. So this is a 10 pi radian upon 18. So 5 maybe 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. So this is a 5 pi radian upon 9. 5 pi radian upon 9. The angle, so therefore the angle are measured in degree and radian, are measured in degree and radian, in degree and radian, degree and radian. So degree is a 20 degree, okay, 60 degree and 100 degree, and radian may be conversion into. So radian is a 2 pi radian upon 9. Second है pi radian by 9, and last is a 5 pi radian upon 9. Last is a 5 pi upon radian. So angle may be conversion in degree and radian. Problem number 11 मध्ये दिलेला आपल्याला, in a cyclic quadrilateral two adjacent angle are 40 degree and pi by 3 radian. Find the angle of the quadrilateral in degree. आपल्याला सायक्लिक क्वाड्रिलॅटरल दिलेलं आहे, अँगल ए बी सी डी दिलेलं आहे. त्याच्यातलं अँगल ए दिलेला आहे 40 डिग्री आणि अँगल बी दिलेला आपल्याला पाय रेडियन बाय 3. आपल्याला फाइंड करायचा अँगल सी आणि अँगल डी. अँगल सी ला आपण एक्स रेडियन म्हणलं आणि अँगल डी ला आपण वाय रेडियन म्हणलं. सो सोल्युशन मध्ये बघू आपण. सो सोल्युशन वी नो दॅट so it is a 1 radian conversion into degree, so it is a multiple of 180 upon pi, 180 upon pi, then convert into degree. So this is a first angle is a 5 pi by 3 radian, convert into degree. So this is a pi by 3 into multiple of 180 upon pi, multiple of 180 upon pi, get pi get cancel, 3 6 are 18. So this angle is a 60 degree. Okay. So this angle is a 60 degree. Let A, B, C, D be a cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D be a cyclic quadrilateral. Then angle A is at a 40 degree. So this is an angle A is at a 40 degree. Angle B, so angle B is equals to pi upon 3 radians. So convert into degree. So this is at a 60 degree. So angle C is at a x degree and angle D is at a y degree. So let angle C is at a x degree and angle D is at a y degree. So since the sum of each pair the sum of each pair of angle, the sum of each pair of opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is an 180 degree. So is an 180 degree. So okay, the sum of each pair of opposite angle. So opposite angle is an A is an opposite to C. So angle A plus angle C is an 180 degree. So angle B is opposite to angle D. So angle B plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle A plus angle A is an opposite. So angle A is opposite side to angle C. So angle A plus angle C is equals to 80 degree, 180 degree. And next is angle B is opposite to angle D is so angle B plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so this is therefore angle A. So angle A is 40 degree and angle C is x degree. So this is 40 degree plus x degree is equals to 180 degree. 180 degree. So 40 degree transferred to right hand side. So this is a positive, transferred to right hand side. This is a negative. So therefore x degree is equals to 180 degree minus 40 degree. 180 degree minus 40 degree. So x degree is equals to so this is x degree is equals to 180 minus 40. So this is 140 degree. 140 degree. So therefore angle D is equals to x degree is equals to 140 degree. Okay, so angle D may be fine. So now second is angle B plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so next is angle B plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. So angle B is 60 degree, angle D is y degree. Okay, so therefore substitute value. So 60 degree plus angle D is y degree is equals to 180 degree. So therefore y degree is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So y degree is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So 120 degree. So this is an angle D. So this is an angle is a C. This angle is a C angle. So therefore this is angle C and this is an angle D. So angle C is 140 degree and angle D is 120 degree. 120 degree. The angle measure in degree. The angle measure in degree. So this is so first is angle A is equals to 40 degree, angle B is equals to 60 degree, angle C is equals to 140 degree, and angle D is equals to 160 degree, 120 degree. So this is an angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Number 12. One angle of a quadrilateral has measure 2 pi by 5 radian, and the measure of other three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find their measure in degree and radian. So it is a quadrilateral. Is the first angle is 2 pi by 5 radian, and the other three angles is a ratio. So 2:3:4. Find the measure in degree and radian. So this is a solution. Let ABCD. So ABCD be a quadrilateral such that. So this is a first angle. So this is a first angle is 2 pi radian. So 2 pi radian upon 5 to convert into degree. So this is a 2 pi 5 into 180 upon pi. 180 upon pi. So this is a pi get cancel. So 2 into 180. So this is a 2 into 180. So 360 degrees. 360 upon 5. So 360 upon 5. So 3 5s are 25, 3 6 are 30, and 3 7s are 35. So this is a 72 degree. Okay, 72 degree. So therefore, let other three angle in a ratio are 2:3:4. 3:2:4. So let the angle are 2k, 3k and 4k. 2k, 3k and 4k. Since the sum of angle of quadrilateral, are 360 degree. Okay, so the sum of angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So this is an angle is 72 degree. Okay, so this is angle 72 degree plus other three angle 2k plus 3k and next angle is 4k is equals to 360 degree. Okay, so 72 transfer to right hand side. So this is 2k plus 3k 5k plus 4k. This is 9k. Okay, 2k plus 3k. This is 5k plus 4k is 9k is equals to 72 transfer to right hand side. So get positive. Right hand side negative. This is 360 degree minus 72 degree. 362 degree. 9k is equals to 360 minus 72. So this is 288 degree. So 288 degree. So therefore 9k is equals to 288 degree. So k is equals to 32 degree. So k is equals to 32 degree. Okay. So this is a division of. Okay. Division सर्वांना करता येईल अशी अपेक्षा आहे. So this is k is equal to 30 degree. So this is first angle is so this is 2k. First angle is 2k. So 2 into k is 32 degrees. 2 is 32. So 32 into 2 is so this is 64 degree. So now next is 3k. So 3 into 32. So 3 into 32 is 96 degree. And next angle is 4k. So 4 into k is 32 degree. K is 32 degree. So 32 into 4 is this is 128 degree. So this angle may be is degree. To convert into radian. So therefore to convert into radian. Okay. So this is 64 degree. Convert into radian. So 64 into pi upon 180 degree. This is multiple of pi upon 180 degree converted into radian. So this is 64 upon 180 degree. So divide by 4. So 4 16s are. Okay. 4 into 16s are is equal to 64 and 4 into 45. 4 into 45. Okay. 45. 180 ला भाग द्या. किती राहणार 180 भागीला 4 हो ना 4 4 4 चौक 16 है ना 4 चौक किती ना 4 चौक 16. ओके. सो दिस इज 0 as it is 18 minus 20 so 20 4 25. This is 45 degree. Okay. So this is 64. So 4 into 16 is 24. So 60 pi radian upon 18 of 4 ला 180 ला 4 ने जर डिवाइड केलं तर किती राहणार आपल्याला 45 डिग्री. सो डिवाइड बाय 4. सो दिस इज 16 and this is 45. So divide by term 4. Next angle is 90 into the radian. So 96 is a multiple of pi upon 180. Pi upon 180 convert into radian. So 12 na भाग द्या. 12 8 जा 96 आणि 12 15 जा 180. Okay, so this is 8 pi radian upon 15. 12 ला भाग गेल्याच्या नंतर. ओके, नेक्स्ट दिलेला आपल्याला 128 डिग्री कन्वर्ट इनटू रेडियन. So 128 into multiple of pi upon 180. Okay, this is a conversion radian. So another divide by 4 both terms. So 4 into 32 is equals to 128 and 180 upon 4. So this is 45. Okay, so this is 4 32 128 and 4 45 is 180. So this is 32 pi radian upon 45. Okay, so this is the angle. Hence the angle of quadrilateral, the angle of quadrilateral are the angle of quadrilateral. The first angle is on a 72 degree. Second is on a 64 degree. Next 96 degree and 128 degree. This is in degree and radian. So radian is first radian is so this is first radian 2 pi radian, 2 by 5 radian. Second is 16 pi radian upon 45. Third is so this is third is 8 pi radian upon 15 and last is 32 pi radian upon 45 in a radian. Okay, so this is last answer.